Myself and many RV life channels spend a lot of time telling you about what you must or should buy for your RV. I want to tell you about some things that you should not buy and why. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, I'm Felix. Welcome to the Roaming Gomes. In last week's video, I talked to you about the things that you needed to buy before you could even use your new RV. This week, I want to talk to you about 5 things that you should never buy and tell you why. And if you stick around till the end of the video, I'm going to give you an item that I didn't list last week that, although it's not a must-have, I don't think enough people talk about it, and it can make your life a whole lot easier. Let's get to this. Number 5, a compact washer and dryer. I know, everybody wants to have their own washer and dryer in their rig, but it's really a waste. If you have even 2 people in the RV, and God forbid you're traveling with multiple people, you're going to be doing laundry 24 hours a day.
Laundry.
These things just simply don't have enough of a load capacity to justify them. And if you have to do your bedding, you're going to find yourself going to a laundromat or to the laundry room at your RV park. In my opinion, you're much better off just going to the RV park laundry room, because simply it's more convenient. You'll be able to do your whole load of laundry, and yeah, I know that they're not all necessarily as nice as this one, but they definitely are functional and they serve the purpose. The machines stay clean because they're pretty much constantly in use. And putting in an RV washer and dryer combo is just not going to give you the service that you can get out of one of these laundry rooms. Number 4, and this is something that's kind of come into vogue probably within the last couple of years, and that is slide toppers. In all honesty, slide toppers are more trouble than they're worth. They present a lot of problems, not the least of which is the fact that the very ends of them have openings. So all that debris, leaves, dust, dirt, can just blow right in there. And now you're protecting your debris with your slide topper. Also, when it rains, they have a tendency to collect the rain and sag. So if that happens and you want to close your slide, you're going to have to do that strategically. I actually met a couple who had to do this, because if it's sagging, it's going to get pinched in the slide when you close it. Honestly, your best method here is just get a ladder, or if you have a ladder on the back of your rig, get up there with a little leaf blower. I recommend this one from Black & Decker. Blow it off, you're done. Bob's your uncle. And these slide toppers cost a fortune, and you have to have them installed. So if your RV didn't come with a slide topper, don't bother getting them. Number 3, and this is one of my kind of pet peeves, RV toilet paper. You do not need to use RV toilet paper. Any septic safe toilet paper, and that is with the exception of Cottonelle, which doesn't seem to actually break down like a septic safe toilet paper, and that's only personal experience, will be fine for your RV. And especially when you consider the fact that RV toilet paper costs $3.42 per 100 sheets.
That is much too much money.
But this Angel Soft toilet paper that we use costs 22 cents per 100 sheets. This is a no-brainer. And if you're flushing your black tank properly, you will have absolutely no problem with pretty much any septic safe toilet paper. We happen to use Angel Soft. But again, Cottonelle didn't seem to work. But if it's labeled septic safe, you're fine. Do not drop into that void stating that you must use RV toilet paper. It really drives me up a wall. If you're getting anything out of this video, I'd love it if you'd hit the like button. It means a lot to the channel and it means a lot to me. Number 2, toilet wands and tank sensor cleaners. Now, a lot of people, many people, have touted using a toilet wand to rinse your tanks after you empty them. And quite simply, it's pointless. The minute you use that thing, yes, your sensors might very well turn up accurate. But as soon as you use the toilet, the sensors are going to be messed up again. Toilet tank sensors and pretty much all the sensors on these rigs are not good. They're not to be trusted. What you're seeing here is my tank sensors, and I can unequivocally state that my black tank and my gray tank are empty. But all it takes is a little piece of toilet paper or a little piece of food that went down the kitchen sink getting stuck on one of those sensors, and it's going to be completely inaccurate. The best method to know whether or not your black tank is full is to look for the burp. Once you find that, and you know it's time to empty your black tank. And you'll also get into a rhythm. I spoke about it briefly, of finding a rhythm with your black tank in my previous video. You find a rhythm up to when it is that your tank's going to get full. For me, it's 4 days. For you, it might be a week. Whatever it is, look for the burp. And number 1, slide jacks or slide stabilizers. No RV needs a stabilizer under their slides. I'm going to repeat that for those in the back. No RV needs a stabilizer under their slides. When you're parked with your RV, and even if it's for like 14 days because you're in a state park, you have your RV leveled, there is going to be some minor shifting and settling. If your slide isn't settling with the rest of your RV because you have a stabilizer under it, you are going to do damage to your slide, period. No doubts, no question. You're going to do damage to your slides, and that's going to range from putting a slight crack in the tracks to it could get as extreme if you're sitting in one spot for a while as you could actually derail your slide and put it out. Don't buy stabilizer jacks for your slide outs. They are dangerous. These slide outs are made to stand the weight of whatever furniture you have in them and the people that would be using that furniture. You would far exceed the total weight allotment for your RV before you would exceed the slide out weight. Don't ever buy stabilizers for your slides. Now, I said I'd give you a bonus, and that bonus is this RV black tank flush valve. Not enough people, I think, talk about these. I use it all the time, and it provides a backflush right up the pipe into your black tank. So you're rinsing off the gate that goes into and out of your black tank. It provides a place where you can connect your hose to do a forced backflush if you have a clog at the end of the pipe. And because I do a rinse of my tanks every time I do a black tank empty, it provides a little bit more life to the gate in your black tank, because I use the gate on the flush valve instead to close it and fill it with water. Definitely something that would make your life a whole lot easier, and especially if you've got any kind of clog, this is something you want to get. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I want to thank you for watching. If you got anything out of this video, I would appreciate it if you'd hit the like button. It means a lot to me and a lot to the channel. Until next time, I hope we can help you find less worry and more wonder.